why were you sort of bold enough to think that the world needed a new tool at the time that you started LanceDB?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think the problems we observed was a couple of big ones. One is that hodgepodge of tools make things really slow. One of the earliest design partners we worked with was this car company. They had similar system like you described, and the them processing their data ended up being slower than real time, right? So it took more than a day to process a single days of data that they collected off their cars. So that's number one. Number two is the infrastructure and maintenance cost of copying data around everywhere and then maintaining data sync pipelines between all of these different systems. And the result is you lose a ton of productivity. The engineers and the researchers, you end up spending most of your time dealing with these low level infrastructure details, of did I partition my data correctly for this system, but then also for that system, and do I have the right piece here and that the right piece there? If I had a bad query result, is it because the answers weren't there, or because the two pieces of data were out of sync with each other, right? So another example here was there was a physical AI company that we worked with early on. The data that we collected, and we did some analysis on their workflow from the point that data came off the device to the time that the next generation of the model trained on this new data made it back onto the device. It was almost a whole quarter going through that life cycle, which is kind of insane. And this is even before they were using LLMs with really long training runs. So those were the big problems that we face. And I think the way we thought about it wasn't we want to throw yet another tool on top of this. What we wanted to do was actually simplify things and remove all of that hodgepodge of tooling and replace it with a single foundation. And this actually goes back to the previous question you asked about Parquet, right? I think even today there are folks who will defend Parquet and say, hey, you actually can make random access have acceptable performance in Parquet by doing a bunch of
Mm.
tricks, which actually is true. You can make the row groups really small and accomplish this feat. But then the problem is your scan performance become abysmal, and the whole um, scenario here is that AI requires multiple workloads on the same table within the same end-to-end workflow. So we really wanted to simplify things, and I think the last consideration we had here was because of the advent of Apache Arrow and its popularity, that made it possible so that all of the existing tooling can integrate with Lance without us having to build another set of pairwise integrations with everyone.